Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making mango salsa with stir-fried couscous, and first I'm going to be making the liquid drizzle. That's lime with honey and some mixed spices. I'll set that aside and mix up my chopped up cucumbers, tomatoes, mango, bell peppers, onions, and my chopped up mint leaves. I'll just toss gently together, and I'm going to drizzle the honey mix on it. I'm going to set that aside and put in the fridge while we make our couscous. You can definitely serve your salsa with the protein of choice and eat like that, or you can have it as a side dish. I'm going to be having mine with stir-fried couscous and sunny side up. Oh my goodness, I actually forgot to record when I transferred my couscous into my hot stock. So while you're stir frying your vegetables, please just boil up your stock and transfer your couscous grains into the stock while it absorbs. On my skillet, I have my mixed vegetables. I use just a teaspoon of oil, as you can see. I'm mixing my carrots, bell peppers, onions, sweet corn, runner beans, all of the vegetables of your choice. You can use frozen vegetables or freshly cut vegetables. So I'm stir frying in the skillet. I'll be adding some raisins. I add some dried parsley leaves, as well as mixed spices, black pepper, ginger, garlic, anything that you want to season with. I'm going to toss everything all up together. I'm stir frying for that for about 2 to 3 minutes. After which, I'm going to fluff up my couscous with, I'm using my spatula. You can use your fork, fluff it up, and then transfer in the vegetables into the couscous, or the couscous into the vegetables, depending on which of your pots or pans you want to use. So I transferred in the vegetables, and I'll just mix up together gently, and would be serving, as I said earlier, with the mango salsa and the sunny side up. You can garnish with any vegetables of your choice or herbs of your choice. Look how pretty it is. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? If you haven't, please, I'm begging, kindly do so. So look at my plating. I garnished with spring onions and mint leaves with my salsa and the sunny side up. It's a perfect meal for lunch, breakfast, or dinner. And this is very filling, loads of vegetables in it, very colorful, pretty, and delicious. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.